Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, lived a cheerful 8-year-old girl named Lila and her mom. Lila loved to play, draw, and dream up big adventures. But sometimes she forgot to clean up after herself. One sunny afternoon, Lila's mom came home from work tired and found the living room in a mess. Toys were scattered everywhere, crayons were on the floor, and a half-eaten sandwich was on the couch. "Lila," her mom said, her voice firm but not unkind, "I've asked you so many times to clean up after yourself. This house looks like a tornado hit it." Lila's heart sank. She hadn't meant to make a mess, but she'd been so busy building a fort with her stuffed animals that she forgot. "I'm sorry, Mom," she said softly. Her mom sighed. "I'm going to the store to pick up groceries. When I come back, I want this house clean, okay?" Lila nodded, her eyes wide. As soon as her mom left, she looked around at the messy room. "Oh no," she thought. "I really messed up this time." But then Lila had an idea. She didn't just want to clean up, she wanted to make her mom smile. She rolled up her sleeves and got to work. First, she picked up all her toys and put them back in their bins. Then, she gathered the crayons and put them in their box. She even found a cloth and wiped down the table and chairs until they sparkled. Next, Lila noticed the floors were a little dusty. She grabbed the broom and swept every corner, humming a little tune as she worked. "Maybe I can make it even better," she thought. She ran to the kitchen and found a vase. Outside, she picked some colorful flowers from the garden and arranged them in the vase. She placed it on the dining table, adding a cheerful touch to the room. Finally, Lila looked around. The house wasn't just clean, it was shining. She felt so proud of herself. Just then, she heard the front door open. Her mom walked in, carrying bags of groceries. She stopped in her tracks and looked around in amazement. "Lila, did you do all this?" her mom asked, her voice filled with wonder. Lila nodded, a big smile on her face. "I wanted to surprise you, Mom. I'm really sorry about the mess earlier." Her mom put down the bags and hugged Lila tightly. "Oh, sweetheart, you've made me so happy. The house looks beautiful, but what makes me even happier is how thoughtful you were." Lila beamed. "I just wanted to make you smile." Her mom kissed her on the forehead. "You did more than that, Lila. You showed me how responsible and caring you can be. I'm so proud of you." From that day on, Lila made sure to clean up after herself, not because she had to, but because she loved making her mom happy. House sparkle. Lila's shining surprise.